Hadin baka Meghalaya Board of School Education kalapan bena yak result jang secondary school living certificate but higher secondary school living certificate ka school St Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang kalayo biang yak result ka babha hadin ba way na kikna puli jong kani ka school ubalatip kerteng kum usamla Sngewbhalang Jaraiñ na kasinong penden umyong Mairang ulapas ba haka exam SSLC hajar pulai
ngatakan ng poy mo to kami kalong mo di po snew hanga maba hadu kipon dak po sa nasipra kabala ta mga kubaong ka jingkan jong khna kamde marwai kadi ulai ba tinang hika kalau khna ulara kinang hika kamot inum po sino sino mabon ha man ta kinang khna ilara na benda dunia kali nang hika kumno ban depan jenggot kumno ban khakot ulai yo beta kembang orang tahu bah ayah kan jumpa kita apa bah untuk exam banyak akhir sudah kita bah dapat lah hikayah na ada misal pada hari ada misal bah connect kawit kubur apa nak barat kau bah dong kabala peninggal long salak lama kita hikayah lacong ban jok kata jenggot kabah bah kami saya nama bah tengah kasrum jenggot nak jenggot tangi nama lah ban jok kata di batai ka kenal da ka baya long jalan kita hikai bahaya tu umbai kaya ngi ba umno ban long ban kule kot ha ban thom hai kot la ban tam ka jing pen baya la baya pau map manya restom lang ma ba da ka jing don sebab lang kita hikai long ka jing slur ka ba yo nang hikai ka long ka samai pya ka ba long ka jing slur ka ba yo ni pa dakan ni presiden di sana dakan nonton kalau ba hajing mo tengah kalau ba anong pon mo do bukan puasa ni asu napakhat wa bukan anpo sina ka thong nama ba ko on nga de di badak tu ba snack ka handa da ka ba ya kan tu lang smart khala ka biang nama ba tagal ding stoman ndakam di tu mai kum na nim pa lam po sin no kamera dikan tu mai pa ka dinya ai jimut lang da ka ba ajimut lagi mai pa banya kan tu lang ima ji para ru ba ya dam sun sen lagi ong yang ba ya ka ba nama ba nim tep kalau we kini ai nim tep ba ka so ba ka yo hetang ka we ka jin kristal hati man so mi bai ada ubadi batang na bajau hendak jadi Pdiang ya ka bat ni dia banyak cakran dan dia memang hak kami ada kata na ibang haya kinati teknologi ya ka ban cepat kata tiba setenap dengan
Actually, we as a school, we are very happy to get this result, especially this year. We had 68 students, and out of 68, 64 students have passed, and we have 94.11% of the results. And above all, we are very happy that Sngewbhalang was able to achieve 18th position in the top 20 list. So this achievement has not come in one day. It is a hard work of 10 years, where he has worked from class pre-nursery. He used to be the topper, and then now he has achieved this best result in his life, and we are very happy for that. Last night we were not able to sleep, as sir was explaining to you. Like, we were very excited. We expected even more than that. Like we expected 2, but the other one was not able to reach. But when this morning when we came to school, we were just waiting for the clock to strike 10 and then to see the result. And when it was 10 o'clock, our net was not functioning properly. We were very tensed. And then we were ringing up to Shillong. If anyone has got already the top 10 list, please send us. And as soon as we got it, we stopped checking the rest of the results. And then we enjoyed first. Then we checked the result and we found that we had good percentage, pass percentage. So our school, St. Thomas, he's the 10th person to achieve the top 10 and top 20 list. And we feel that St. Thomas is making a history, especially during these past years. Since 2019, I think Pdiang has really inspired the rest of the students who are studying in the school to go ahead, because in spite of his illness, he was able to achieve that. and that gave inspiration to rest of the students. If Pdiang Shine, in spite of his illness, can do, why not me? And today, some of the students of class 9, because class 10 is having exam, so class 9 students came to congratulate me, and they told, sister, when our turn comes, we want to get more. So these are the inspiring students who are inspiring the others. So I feel very happy for that.